Changing your primary email on Wright Patt Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wright Patt Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your primary email. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wright Patt Credit Union's customer service for assistance.